Okay, I got that woohoo right out of one of those container doohickeys.
You got that out the garbage?
This message was transmitted at the request of the Ohio Police Department. Reports came in about 2 carnivore creatures spotted in the city of Ohio. These creatures are not attacking anyone as it's running for something that's not confirmed at this time. If you see the 2 creatures running, stay hidden as possible. The creatures are known as the Spinosaurus and the Agenidosaurus. The Spinosaurus is 16 to 18 meters tall and 52 to 59 feet tall, weight over 7.7 to 9 tons. The Agenidosaurus is 12 and 13 meters tall and 40 or 43 feet tall, weight about 7 or 8 tons. However, people say they're after the FnF werewolves.